Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's high-profile appearance vakaita kuGokwe on Thursday yesterday kwatoonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi ndo pari kuitwa macelebrations eindependence, kuonekwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga pamwe chete nehis blue suit varatidza kuti pane message iri kudhilivhiwa nehis appearance yaakaita. Sanapinda mashoko amudanyorwa panapa tinoba subscriber wolaika wotina on the bell icon. Timira Mzimu aiva nomudanyora achiti those saying Chiwenga's shiny blue suit there's no message at all. Are you oblivious of how military intel speak? Do you forget, for instance, how in Mugabe days, every person assigned a portfolio, even their very name, was a national message? Chihuri, police; Zimondi, prisons; Chiwenga, ZDF. Do you think Chiwenga, who was part of that clique, would be lower than that quality of military intels? Vanhu vanobudachitara zvakasiyana-siyana pamusoro his high profile appearance. Vanodanyora chiti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga made a high profile appearance in Gokwe on Thursday, where his facial expressions and body language during a series of handshakes and engagements with the top ZANU-PF officials have set off a storm of speculation over his political alignment ahead of the 2030 elections. However, critics and insiders remain cautious. Some point out that Chiwenga's expressions, though outwardly composed, could reflect political pragmatism rather than genuine allegiance. He is a soldier, said one analyst. He knows when to play the part, but whether this means he's truly in support of Mnangagwa running in 2030 is another matter entirely. Ndo mashoko anobudaitwa panapa vanhu vachiti VP Constantino Chiwenga is a high profile appearance pamwe chete nemasecurity officers ake anenge ari surrounding him. Zvine a large message iri ichidepictwa nevanhu vachiti maybe anytime VP Constantino vanogona kuburirai zvinyuwani zvamusati makamboona as a soldier. Tiudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.